Hello children, let us see numerical on convex lens, which is a 3-marker question, and if you practice thoroughly you'll be able to score 3 marks very easily. Now let us see the question. Here a 2 centimeter tall object, so this is, let us write it as height of the object, so it will be HO, that is 2 centimeter, is placed perpendicular to the principal axis of a convex lens. So while reading whether lens is given or mirror is given and which type, you have to be very careful. So practice from the beginning itself. So here it is convex lens given and it is of focal length 10 centimeter. So we know convex lens forms real focus. So, and that too it is after refraction. Therefore, F you have taken it as 10 centimeter with plus sign. Now, the distance of the object from the lens is 15 centimeter. So, as per NCERT, we know how is our sign convention, and any object kept, the left-hand side distances, they are taken as negative. So, here the object distance, we consider it to be minus, and here it is U is equal to minus 15 centimeter. Now, you have to find out the nature and the position and size. So, position, it is V, and height of the image or the size of the image, you'll write it as HI. So now, since it is lens, you know you have to use lens formula, and that is 1 by F equals to 1 by V minus 1 by U. Now, and you start calculating, and if at all everything this, if you have taken F properly sign and U proper sign and your lens formula proper sign, you will not have any problem. But before calculation, I'll tell you, like, whatever values you are getting, whether they are correct or not, with magnitude and with sign. So now, since it is a convex lens, let us see here. This part is optical center. Now, somewhere you can mention it as F1, and double of it will be 2F1. Similarly, this is F2 and this is 2F2. Now, here focal length is 10 centimeter. So you can mark this point as 10 on the scale, and this will be 20. Now, the object is kept between F1 and 2F1. So where is the image formed? It will be beyond 2F2. So this is the point 2F2. So now your V value must be greater than 20 centimeter. And since it is all the right hand distances, so it will be with plus sign. And you know that in this case, it will be real inverted and magnified. Therefore, your HI must be greater than 2 centimeter with minus sign. So if you are sure of this, like if you are able to find out which case it is, your numerical will never go wrong. Suppose by mistake, instead of plus minus, you have put plus, or vice versa, you will not go wrong with the numerical. If you see this case, at least you can go back and check it. So now when you calculate, you will get V as 30 centimeters, which is greater than 20 centimeters, and HI as minus 4 centimeter, which is greater than 2 centimeter with minus sign. So the image formed will be real, inverted and magnified image, because we already know the case. Even before you are solving, you know this is a case where the object is kept between F1 and 2F1. So the image will be formed beyond 2F2. So in this way, every numerical you break, write the data, check which case is this, and then solve it. So for all this, you have to be very thorough with the ray diagrams first. Okay, practice the numericals like this.